Hi everyone, welcome back to the Nas Creation. Hope you all doing great. So today I'm here with my new illustration of how to draw a Bengali sari with midriff flossing. So before we get started to the video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video and comment what you like about this video, and please guys watch this video till the end. So let's get started. Here I'm doing outlines for the sari, for the pleats and the pallu, and I just want to keep pallu very low and only the border, and just a little bit of pallu will be shown, else it's just a border, because I'm thinking to draw border very broad. So guys, as midriff flossing is quite trendy, as recently Komal Pandey did a video about how you can style midriff flossing in different ways in different type of clothes. So I also got the idea of putting a sari with midriff flossing to see how it looks, and I think it will look really good and it will give very classy and sexy look. So that's why I thought to try it out, and this is the idea behind designing this Bengali sari, and I thought it will look really good with the color combination, as I'm going to use red and white. And now you guys can see how I'm drawing the midriff flossing. And also drawing this outfit is quite easy, and yet it's complicated because I have to choose white color and to give a shade. I'm kind of very new with this. I don't know how to do this properly, and you guys can see I'm putting a nice knot over here on the shoulder, as I've seen it in a Bengali sari. Mostly it's from the front, but I've tried let's give it from the back. I didn't wanted it to be in front. And now you guys can see I've started giving the outline for the skin, and I'm using with the very lightest shade for skin, and I'm just gonna give the first border, and then I will fill this skin color with the same color, and then again I'm gonna use 2 more layers for skin color, as guys it takes really long to render the skin. It's very tough. Last time I've done all the 3 layers in the one, like I used all the 3 shade pencils at once, and then I started blending it and it got really messy, so I have to scrap the whole illustration, and I've started this new one. And in this time I'm just going one layer by one layer, as I've used the lightest one, and I'm gonna blend it with water, and then I'm gonna use it more darker and then the darkest. Yes, use very little water, not too much, as it will just mess up your illustration. Use very little bit of water, and if necessary use tissue paper. I use tissue papers a lot. And you guys can see now I'm using the second layer for rendering the skin, and I'm using just a little bit on the borders for giving a little shadow and depth effect, and using again water to blend it very well. And use little bit of water, use tissue papers in the middle, so your brush will be clean. And now this is final and last layer in which for the skin rendering, and this is what I'm doing. I'm using it little darker for giving the darker shades for the effect of shadow. And again I'm gonna blend this well with the water, and now I'm going to start drawing the blouse. As the blouse I'm choosing the red color, as it's very symbolical for Bengali sari. It's always like red and white, so in keeping that in mind I've used only red one and white with little bit of gold as well. And you guys can see even in this blouse I'm going with layers and layers, not just like using the darker one first and then making it lighter. I use that kind of technique in my another illustration, but with this I'm just going with a little bit of layering. And you guys can see now I'm drawing the straps for the blouse to show that midriff flossing effect. That's how that clothes is. So I'm just showing half of it because the half of it is gonna hide with the pallu, so you guys can see. I kind of wanted to make it very thin strap, but coloring after that it just got a little thick, which is I'm kind of disappointed about myself, but it's okay. It's at the end it was looking good. And also guys, I've discovered, or I don't know, it was existing, I don't know, I'm using eraser to make the highlight effect. As you can see on the stomach, in the skin area, I was using eraser for making it little lighter and giving it a highlighted effect, and it was looking really good, you can see. And this is one of the mistake I've made again to making the, as you guys can see, the bust side wasn't matching, it was small and big. So now I'm making it even. I'm trying to, but I guess it's fine, it's okay. And now about the sari, I'm gonna put a very white sari. So for that I'm using the lightest gray. It's not even gray, it's mid from white to gray, it's very light, and I'm using that one first, and then I'm gonna put darker colors. Like now I'm using the actual gray color for the border only, and you guys can see how I'm giving the strokes, how the pleats are going, so that you would know the folds and the shadow effects for the pleats. Yeah, even though here I've messed it up a lot, because I cannot draw a straight line properly. That's why it got messed up really badly. Like I have to do this whole process for the twice. And now you can see I'm using a dark black pencil for giving the final touch up, and you guys can see now the look is getting really good, and you are guys about to see how I messed it up. Yeah, I'm very bad at it. I messed up things a lot, and then I do so many things to make it right, and it takes so long. I'm talking about my illustration videos. And this is the pallu I'm drawing, in which the white part of the sari will show a little bit. And you guys can see now the look is getting really good. Now I've erased it. Everything I've erased it because it was not satisfying, and I don't know what was going on in my mind, but I just erased it, and now I'm drawing it back again. I did it very bad mistake, and guys, I'm warning you, don't make mistake like this or you'll end up just messing up with your illustration. So just don't go with the lightest one, and not like me, I've done it really wrong. I went with the black one first, and then I went with that lightest shade, and it was just messed it up. And now you guys can see I'm giving the borders at the end. The border, I'm even making border, I was so confused with what kind of design and pattern I should be using. So it took me really long to decide what should I design and all that. But then I came with this one, and I guess it's looking quite okay. And one more thing, if you're making any kind of design, just do first before putting any kind of shadows. Like I've done in this illustration, it's quite reverse. You just have to do opposite of it. Give first border and detailing everything, and then give the shadow effect, not before. And yeah, here I just got all blank, like what should I do next, and then I ended up, and then next day I started my illustration again. It took 2 days for me to complete this video and this illustration, and in that time I just got the idea of how I'm gonna draw the exact way of border where I'm gonna use the red color and the golden and the white. So you guys can see the design on the pallu is looking really good, but on the bottom it's not that great. But the pallu but on pallu side it's looking really good, and you will guys see that. In this I'm just giving a red color in the mid and giving the golden colors on the both border side. You guys can see, and I'm using a golden gel pen from Classmate. It's a really good pen. And now I'm giving the same design in the bottom of the sari, and I'm gonna put more highlight after giving this shades designing with pencil. You can see now with black pencil. And now I'm thinking what kind of design I should be putting on the sari. So this is what I've been trying. So, and also it's suggested for you also, guys. Do try and error things. You will realize, get to know which design is better, which is not. So as I've done the leaf one, it wasn't looking that good. So now so I decided to go with the flower one, and I'm drawing a rose flower all over the sari with the lightest shade of gray, and then I'm giving little bit of border at the edges of all flowers. You can see how I'm giving this effect, and it's looking really 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 nice. I love it. I really love it. And it just have to give all the white parts wherever the white sari is, and the in mid play while giving any kind of print to the plates, to the fold, your pattern is not going to show entirely. The pattern will be break into half. So design accordingly. As I'm not drawing a full flower, it's just a half part of it, and that's how it will all give you the entire look, and it will look really good. At starting you will think like I'm drawing just a half a flower and it's not looking good, but no, when you end it up, and it will look really really awesome. This is the, I've told you I'm making a knot over there. So if the pallu goes down from back to here, that's how it will look. I've made it a knot over there. It looks really good. And later that I decided that I also wanted to give a belt in the sari, so then I've added a belt with the golden pen and the black pen, and it's the whole look is looking really really good until I draw the hairs, because I messed it up a lot. Like, this is the first time in my life I've drawn this bad hairs, like really bad. And I'm sorry for the background voice. You guys can see I was drawing even the ears, which I've never done that, and it turns out really really weird, and it's not good at all. So, and also guys, if you are trying to draw a new type of hairstyle, just make it into a rough and then go for the actual illustration, not like me. I did it like this one and it just got messed it up really badly. Now I'm making corrections to the hair. So guys, this is all about today's video. Hope you all like this video. Comment below what you guys like about this video, and comment also what else you guys wanna see. I'll try to come up with that, and I'll come up with new illustrations soon. So for getting new updates, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And till then, take care. Bye bye.